dear students, welcome you all again in our fourth video class of EVS. Hope you all are fine at home and are regular with your studies. So please sit with your EVS textbook and open chapter 4. Today our topic is My Needs, Water. In this chapter we are going to discuss about number 1, need of water. Number 2, sources of water. Number 3, water in food. Number 4, drinking water. Number 5, water makes the water dirty. What makes the water dirty? And number 6, reuse of water. So let's begin. Needs water. Children, in this chapter we are going to study about the second basic need of our life, that is water. Water is important for all. It is our lifeline. Look at the picture shown on the right. Water is used for many purposes. Picture 1, it is used for drinking. Picture 2, it is used for bathing. Picture 3, it is used for cleaning utensils and fruits and vegetables. Picture 4, it is used for watering plants. And picture 5, it is used for cooking food. So children, write any 4 activities for which water is being used. For example, drinking, washing utensils, clothes, etc., watering plants and cooking food. Next, we are going to see we need water to live. As I told you, water is important for all living beings. Living beings means animals, plants and humans. It is our lifeline. As we cannot live without food, we cannot live without water also. Animals drink and bath in water. They need water to stay cool in hot places. Plants are kept fresh by watering them. Plants get water from rain. Their roots also get water from under the ground. Plants need water to make their food. Aquatic plants grow in water. We need water to drink, bath, wash our clothes and utensils, and cook food. Farmers need water for their crops. Next, we are going to see other uses of water. Point 1. Water is used by factories for the purpose of manufacturing. Point 2. Water is also used for construction of buildings. Point 3. Water is also used for other activities like fishing, boating, swimming, etc. Next, sources of water. We get water from different sources. There are 2 main sources of water, children. Number 1, natural sources. Number 2, man-made sources. Rain is the purest form of water and it comes under natural sources. Rainwater fills the wells, springs, lakes, rivers and ponds whenever there is a rainfall. Come to the yellow box, children. You can see here Earth, our blue planet. See the picture? Earth is fully blue. Why it is blue? Because 71% is covered with water, which makes it look blue. Is it clear? So please now turn your page. Now we are going to see groundwater. Some of the rainwater goes underground and gets collected there. This is called groundwater. Next, we take out groundwater by digging wells and using hand pumps and tube wells. In some places, water gushes out. Gushes out means flow out or comes out from the ground. These are called springs. When the ice on the top of the mountain melts, it becomes water and flows down as a river or a stream. In some places, people build dams across rivers. So, what is dam? A dam is a barrier that blocks the flow of river water. Blocks means stop the movement of water. The blocked river water is used for many things like watering the fields, providing drinking water, etc. Thus, children, there are two main sources of water. Number 1, natural sources. Number 2, man-made sources. Natural sources includes rainwater, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, and springs. Whereas man-made sources include dams, wells, and hand pumps. Children, you can see the picture of natural sources and man-made sources. Is it clear, children? Now come to the next page. Water in food. Water in food means there are some food that contains a lot of water. The human body needs water to work properly. The food that we eat contains a lot of water. Fruits contain a large amount of water. Raw vegetables also contain a lot of water. After cooking, the water gets reduced. Dry fruits do not contain water. Okay, children? Now next, how to make water fit for drinking. So, drinking water. Point 1, not all water is fit for drinking. Point 2, sometimes there are tiny germs in water that can make us sick. Point 3, water that is safe for drinking is called potable water. So, what is potable water? Water that is safe for drinking. Point 4, we can make water fit for drinking in many ways. Point 5, we can boil the water as it kills germs present in it. Point 6, we can filter the water using a water filter at home. Filtering removes dirt and germs. We should store drinking water in clean containers and covers them. So, children, these are the ways how we can make water fit for drinking. By boiling the water, by filtering the water, and by keeping it covered. Next, we will see what makes the water dirty. Children, in some way, we are responsible to make water dirty. Look at the pictures. All these activities make the water dirty. Picture 1, cattle bathing in water. Picture 2, people washing clothes. And picture 3, throwing factory waste in water. Thus, Waste materials from homes and factories are thrown into rivers and lakes. This is called water pollution. This whole thing makes the water dirty and it is called water pollution. It kills the plants and fish that live in water. Children, turn the page. Last point is reuse of water. Children, water is very precious for all of us. So, we should use it in such a way that it is not wasted. Though the earth is full of water, a very small portion of it can be used. Some of it is frozen on mountain peaks, while much of it is salty. Means half water comes from mountain peaks by freezing and the half water it is salty. The little portion of water that is fit to be used need to be used very carefully. Now we will see ways to save water. Let us see, children. Point 1. Turning off the taps when not in use. Whenever you go for brushing your teeth, when you are brushing, that time please turn off the taps. Point 2. Repairing leaking pipes and taps at once. Point 3. Collecting rainwater and using it for activities such as watering plants and cleaning the car. Point 4. We can also save water by not making water bodies dirty. Point 5. Reuse the water used for washing vegetables and fruits. Last point, that is point number 6. Use a bucket of water instead of a hose for washing cars or watering plants. Come down, children. You will see a yellow box here. 22nd March is celebrated annually as World Water Day to focus our attention on the importance of fresh water. So, when World Water Day is celebrated and why? It is celebrated on 22nd March. Why? To focus our attention on the importance of fresh water. So, children, that's all for today. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. Children, with the help of your parents and study material, please complete all the exercise of your textbook in your classwork copy. With this, I end this video. We will see you again in the next video. Thank you.